New from Luminous, the Doorbell Chime Kit is here, bringing you a simple, reliable video doorbell solution designed to make installation easier than ever. Featuring a 4-megapixel resolution camera, built-in mic and speaker, and a familiar Luminous app experience, users get clear video, two-way communication, and an easy setup from day one. But where this doorbell really stands out is the adjustable swivel mount. Instead of having to wedge the camera, add extra hardware, or settle for a limited viewing angle, the swivel mount gives you the flexibility to position the camera exactly where you need it. Whether you're working around a doorway, adjusting for a specific approach path, or fine-tuning coverage after installation, you have the flexibility to get the perfect view. And with the wireless chime included, you get everything you need in one complete kit. Setup is simple through the LumiViewer app, giving users an easy way to view their entrance, communicate with visitors, and manage their doorbell. Oh. Hello?
Yes, hello?
Yeah, hey, how can we help you?
Hey, I'm Jason with
Oh, Jason, we actually don't take solicitation. The cops are on their way right now, okay? Designed with installers in mind, the Luminous Doorbell Chime Kit delivers a clean install, flexible mounting options, and a seamless user experience. Plus, like the rest of the Luminous lineup, this solution is NDAA compliant, giving you a trusted option for your next security project. The new Luminous Doorbell Chime Kit is now available at Premium Security Solutions. Give us a call today to learn more.